What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Nick, and in today's video we're going to be talking about no debtors prison. So let's get right into it. Alright, so let me make myself smaller over here. So no debtors prison. The meaning behind this is because in America you cannot go to jail for owing debt. We have a system in place called bankruptcy court that allows you to virtually have a clean slate and start all over again if you mismanaged your credit in the past. So you will always be granted a second chance, so there's no need to worry. There's a lot of people out there worrying, you know what I'm saying? They have collection accounts, credit card debt that they haven't paid off, things of that nature, and they're just worried, and they're letting this really minuscule thing take over their entire life and affect their emotions and all that. And this video is just to explain to you that there's no debtor's prison, so don't be a prisoner in your own mind about it. You know what I mean? So debt is such a large part of many people's lives, and they let it consume them, when in reality it all comes down to just a few numbers on a screen that can be wiped away instantly. Yes, so it can be wiped away through bankruptcy court, or you can dispute it. We talk about disputing on this channel a lot as far as credit repair. The past 4 years I've been doing credit repair for myself, friends, family, and clients, and it is very possible. I mean, a simple dispute letter, you send to the bureaus, and boom, the debt is gone completely. Or you can always go the bankruptcy route. So either way, debt is 100% totally able to be removed. So do not become a prisoner in your own mind, thinking that you'll never be able to pay it off, and you have to be working your whole life and this, that, and the third. Man, it's a trap they want you to be in, but I'm here to tell you that there is no debtor's prison, so don't worry, guys. And continued. So in addition to bankruptcy, you also have many other options to combat debt. One would be to learn about what debt actually is, which is very important. On my credit repair journey, becoming a credit repair specialist and opening my own business, that's what I had to learn about. I had to learn what is debt, what is money, period. A lot of people don't even know what money is. A lot of people don't even know what debt is. And if you think you do, I can guarantee you really don't. You know what I mean? It gets so deep, but if you're on this channel, I'm going to be revealing those secrets, explaining these things, and bring that information to the light so more people will be able to be aware of this information. So like I was saying, learn how money is created, who is creating it, and why it's being created. And a thorough understanding of these concepts will open your eyes to a much deeper level of understanding of exactly what's going on in the world and why. So yeah, guys, just take your time to learn about money. Most of us have jobs, are going to school to get a job. We're paying money to go to school. We're doing all this for money. The end result is 100% money. If you have a job, you're working to make money, whether that is to pay rent or pay for your car, whatever the case is, you're working for money. So the least you could do is learn about what you're working for. You know what I mean? Like, learn the deep intricacies of what money actually is. And you may, on your journey, find an easier way to make money. Usually that's how it goes. Once you learn about something, everything else around it becomes easier. So that was my message for today, guys, and I want to thank you guys for watching. As always, if you enjoyed that short video, go ahead and smash that like button and help get this video out to more people. Tap the subscribe button and help us with our current goal of 1,000 subscribers. And if you have any questions about what we talked about today or on any other video on this channel, you can always email me at info@tycoontalk.xyz or leave a comment in the comment section below. You can check out the link in my description to purchase credit repair products. So I got the credit repair ebook. I have dispute letters that you can send off to all 3 bureaus and get all those collections, derogatory marks off of your credit report quickly and easily, and much more on there, guys. So go ahead and check that out. The link is in the description below. And if you like this video, go ahead and check out the other videos on my channel where I talk about how to make money with cryptocurrency, real cryptocurrency, not the fake scammy spammy stuff that you see on TV and such. I talk about credit, of course, financial markets, consciousness, nature of reality, a bunch of cool stuff, man. And if you enjoyed this video, you enjoyed other pieces of my content, you'll enjoy that stuff too. Everything is laid out in a nice, clear playlist on my channel, so go ahead and check that out. And as always, my friends, may infinite abundance flow to you now and forever. I will see you again tomorrow. Peace.